Game 3 of Winners Final or Grands for doubles, I think. Yeah.
Well, let me clarify. Not just Zero Suit, but regular Samus as well. He has both.
Oh, yeah. I remember him playing Samus Dittos with Pooch at like Smash and Splash.
Dedede.
Looks like he's going with the Dedede, though.
Sheik.
Can't really go wrong with that. So I'm guessing we're going to see a lot of Gimps. And if Sheik manages to grab the Dedede, that's probably going to be, you know, spending 90% of the match in the air. We're going to see a lot of throw combos from the Sheik.
Yeah. I mean, I guess it just depends on if Ripple even lets him get near it, you know?
Yeah.
Because he's going to do his patented air camping most likely and float
Yeah,
around.
the Waddle
around
Do,
quite a lot.
Waddle Dee, spam.
3, 2,
Yeah, Sheik at least has needles, but like,
Can't throw him up.
yeah, you can only be in the air and then throw them down. Okay, interesting.
Forward smash.
All
and
right,
he makes
nice
it work.
regrab.
I respect it.
Wow, nice mix
He's
up with the grab.
whomping on him. He's got DDD at a, you know, like half dead now.
Yeah, 77. Maybe like a third of the way dead if he's unlucky.
A little under half dead.
Oh, bad DI on the back throw.
That
It's
turned
hard.
around real quick.
Yeah. Yeah, DDD's throws they're hard to DI because if you're at the edge of the stage, he can forward throw and just get you off stage, or he can down throw and then get like a guaranteed fall off fair, drop zone fair.
Yeah.
You have to guess. If you DI away on the forward throw, you're dead. And if you DI in on the down throw, you're dead. So it's pretty rough.
Maybe don't DI at all and see how that goes.
You know, that might not be a bad idea. I think they're both like forward throw still sends you really far. Forward air is huge. Probably still hits you. Nice roll in. Wow, I can't believe DDD's jab is so slow.
Yeah, it's pretty
He
awful.
actually like wave dashed in with his 6-frame jump squat, got a jab, and then got the grab afterwards.
Somehow. On paper, this character shouldn't ever be played.
Yeah. Ripple makes it work though. I mean, more so than that, he is, you know, definitely like a top PM player. For sure one of the best in the entire Midwest.
Yeah.
Forward tilt, I like it. It's a good move. Except it's slow.
Can be said about a lot of DVD stuff.
Yeah, everything is slow. What fast moves does he have? Other than
Air.
like back air and air.
Back air.
But he has to jump first.
Which is slow.
6 frames, 7 frames even. Gordo? Oh
Ooh,
my
clonked
the
him with it.
Waddle
Big
D.
damage.
The Waddle D to Gordo true combo.
He's just bringing his whole army over.
Yeah,
It's a teams match.
good spot dodge. Ooh, yeah, just barely gets pushed away far enough to miss the shield grab. Nice grab. Ripple was ready for the back throw DI. That's impressive.
Yeah, I mean, I think Spice has been using mostly back throw.
Yeah, because a lot of melee players are going to, and like, you know, you kind of think of the default as down throw just because Sheik uses down throw. But, yeah, the PM specific players are good at mixing it up a lot. Yep, not much she can do there. Got a needle at least. Doesn't quite get the like hard stage spike. Oh no!
Well, that was a
Oh man. He almost had the
technical
kill.
mishap, I suppose.
Yeah. Okay. We're seeing an all-star. Okay.
I respect it.
All-star random. Only in game 2 for some reason.
I guess they're homies.
All right,
Man,
what are we gonna
they're
see?
making a mockery of our very serious tournament.
Ike versus Ivysaur. Okay.
Well, Spicy maybe knows some Ivysaur stuff.
Yeah, being you know, probably training partners with Soth. Ripple, as you said earlier, just
Like,
knows how to play
he's
a lot
got
of
40
characters.
dude.
Ike is probably no exception.
He knows how to
Reverse
edge
fair.
guard a tether. Or maybe
not.
not.
I'm sure he does. Just messed up that one time. Okay. Luigi now.
The dash attack.
Yeah, that's the sign of a non-Luigi
slaps.
main is if they use the dash attack like right away. It's pretty bad. Wow.
He's just floundering with Luigi right now. Throwing out moves.
Okay. No, edge guard doesn't even try. I like it. Ripple's been countering a lot, and none of them have worked.
He got scooped out of there.
All right, new character, Sonic.
Pretty quick.
I've heard this matchup is not very good for Sonic, but
I don't think either of them are at a
Yeah,
level with these characters.
in All-Star Random, matchups probably don't matter that much. If you get a character you know how to play, that's like, 90-10 matchup, no matter the character. Oh, okay, I like
got
that.
Might as well spend the charge while you're alive, you know?
Yeah. And if you're not a Lucario main, I mean, I
Might
don't
as
know.
well,
I don't know how else to spend my aura.
Right.
Just hit A and B at the same time and get a huge ball. Is that a? No, it's a normal turn. I was gonna say if we saw All-Star Random Peach pull out a Stitch Face right away.
It'd be a sign. Ooh, if Ripple gets a character he knows how to play.
Yeah, that's rough. But I don't know. I don't think he was even holding down there. Ganon's just too big.
The big punch.
Wow.
Well, entertaining set. A little goofy at the end there, but they agreed to it. It's a gentleman pick. Probably should make sure someone backs out of that special versus menu.
Yeah, I've definitely started like a grand final set before, and it was an all-star random. Like I went Roy, and then I got Snake after I died once, and quickly realized something was wrong. Roy is not actually Snake.
Sosa and Ellis coming up.
All right.
Exciting.
So we're getting Mario versus his evil counterpart, Wario.
I'm going to let them know about that.
Just warning them about All-Star Random. We don't want them to start Mario Wario and then end up with like
Turn into
Luigi
Bowser
Yoshi or something.
Then it'll turn into Luigi Bowser, and it'll still fit thematically.
Yeah, wouldn't be that bad if we saw Luigi Bowser. But we wouldn't want to see like Snake versus Olimar. That would just be terrible. Because that's like the All-Star Random matchup. That's the classic. Snake versus Olimar.
Snake versus Olimar, then the Olimar player gets 2 Ice Climbers in a row.
Yeah,